Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you here. And if it's your first time joining, please just subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you can. So, you guys, I was supposed to go to Port Harcourt this very day, and we had booked this flight like 1 week before. And when we got to the airport, I could not even believe it. So we got to the airport. There was a lot of queue. Like it's a very early flight, as early as 6 a.m. And we left the house like 5 o'clock, exactly five. The driver was already at my house, and when we got to the airport, so because we were going with our children, one of the airport guys were like, "Oh, are you flying with your children?" We said yes. It's okay. Come to the front. You don't have to stay on the line. We're like, okay, no problem, thank you. And then we got to where we would check in, and they were like, they didn't see our booking. I'm like, you say what? That the booking didn't go through. I said it's not possible because my bank didn't even return the money. We are not even aware that okay, this transaction failed, and you're saying it didn't go through. Like, I'm not understanding. This is just too early, and the event we are going for was the next day. So, and you guys, this flight was expensive, even though we were not the one that paid for it, but it was expensive. We even tried checking another flight, and they were like, there are no other flights. The one we even saw was like 800 and something thousand for a family of four just to go, like tow, not even to and fro. And the one we had booked was to and fro, which was way more than that, anyways. But then again, it wasn't making sense. So at a point, they were like, okay, let us even still go while they resolve it later on. But they were just already calling last boarding for Port Harcourt. We were even on the escalator, and we were like, eh? My husband was like, we should just come down, that we can't make it, that they've already closed the doors of the plane, that there was no need. And you guys, that's what happened. And that's why I didn't travel anymore. Hi guys, I know you can't believe what happened. We didn't travel, but I will give the story in another clip. I just want to quickly show you because we didn't have food. You know, like I said, there's nothing in the house. We cleared everything, and I had to tell my husband, go to the market or hunger, oh, hunger, hunger. So this is a lot of stuff. I don't know what is even inside there. I think this one is pepper and tomato. So we're going to make soup and stew. This is, I think, fufu. Yes. Oh, yeah, I'm going to put this on the dining table. Should we want to help mommy? And this is fish, a lot of fish. Ah, this soup will be plenty. Oh. And this is all this. I think this is leaf. The leaf is a lot. Guys, my lens clean like this. Let me clean it again. This is, what's the time? This is like 5:39. And let me see. I think it's just late, guys. Inside, yeah, I'm not going to show how I'm cooking it because I already have this menu on my YouTube. I don't have the energy to film anything. I have multiple videos of this particular food, so if you want to see how they cook it, this stockfish, I will link it. This is more crayfish. I already have crayfish in the house. This is water leaf. I think this is more water leaf. This is yellow pepper. I already have, this is afan. Okay. This is okaze leaf. Yeah, that's the soup I'm cooking. So I'll link it in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. I know I don't used to say it enough. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me like and comment. Thank you. This is me. It's a lot of makeup. Eh, my hand. This is me. What again is it? Onions. Okay. This one is palm oil. Let me start cooking, you guys. I'll talk to you later and then explain what happened. I come and give people gist.
I don't know when I tell me Uncle Tunde, things are just falling apart.
What is your today talk?
He not talk anything. I'm sure we will go.
many of them have moved from one stage to another. Today's concern. And I'm seeing channels, television, Relaunch, AIT, even TSTV, I hear Toba that has graduated so far. Millions, this ones are selected. Out of millions, this one's doing. This one will do exploit in the name of Jesus. Destiny at the stage. Celebrate them with a clapping offering. Now have the hit continue.
That's my boy, yes!
Can we all stand up? I will take the recitation of Nigerian national anthem. This is a wonderful combination.
It's going inside, yes. Yes.
If you take the
I shall open it for all praise. Thank you.
please.
Faster, efficient, and home for customer. Over 400,000 restaurant jobs unfilled in US due to labor shortages.
Restock. See that the gate is open, but if I press the incorrect button,